Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So what you guys saw is basically my little morning routine insert, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna take you guys like along whatever I get up to here in Pretoria. And it's honestly not gonna be like a one day vlog. It's gonna be basically just like a mix of different things that I'm gonna insert into different videos. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then just keep watching.
So cute, so cute, eating, so cute, eating.
So we just came back from like a long day out, and I didn't really vlog anything, but honestly, whatever doesn't make it into the vlog, definitely go check out my Instagram. I will be like updating my stories, and I've been really into making Instagram reels, so definitely go check that out. So we got some Indian food and we're just gonna eat that, and I think I'll show you guys a little bit of that. Just look how pretty the sunset is. It gets so dark in Pretoria compared to Cape Town, but the sky is so bubblegummy tonight. Where are you going? This is my baby. This is Leo, who's my baby. Come, let's go. And guys, look how cool. My mother put in an outdoor shower. So cool. We got some Indian food, and this is honestly my most favorite food ever. Hello. Hello, boom booms. Are you getting cold? Oh, put the boom booms, put the boom booms, put the boom booms. So yeah, I just wanted to actually let you guys know, because I don't think I actually mentioned it, but this is the first time I'm seeing the new house, because this was obviously done like last year and this year, so this is the first time that I'm seeing it. And guys, this house is so pretty, and I'm honestly just so shocked that like this is my mother's new house. It's so nice, and I'm honestly just so happy and like so shocked because it is so beautiful. Like every corner it's just so pretty. I mean, she worked so hard, you know, to get where she is, as well as to get this house. It just motivates me and inspires me to, you know, work hard in what I'm doing and my work, to, you know, also one day be able to achieve this. And yeah, I'm just so happy for her and my whole family. And yeah, I'm just honestly, oh, I love this house so much. I don't even want to go back to Cape Town. But yeah, I just thought I'd mention that. Yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help support and grow my channel. And yeah, I guess I was